Welcome to the Chemistry, Biology and Math Revision Hub. Today we're doing the chemistry topics. This is states of matter. I'm beginning with solids. Solids are particles that are arranged and packed closely. We can see this is got from Knock-Hardy. It's a site that makes presentations on chemistry, so this was got from there because it's a GIF that shows you the movement of the particles within a solid state. So the particles are arranged and packed closely together like we see here. These particles just vibrate, but they do not move because they are in fixed positions. And again, we can see they are arranged in a regular way. Compared to other states of matter, the solids have the greatest or strongest forces of attraction holding them together. We go to the next. Still, this is from Knock-Hardy. This is liquids. We can see in liquids, the particles are not arranged in a regular way. They are randomly arranged. And the forces of attraction holding them are less than those that we saw in the solids because the particles can vibrate and move around each other. That is why somebody can swim through water, because the water particles can be able to move away to allow somebody or a solid to go through. But we see these particles are still touching each other, although there are some gaps like we see that and that. That's why some liquids have lower density than solids. Then we go to gases. Still, this is from Knock-Hardy. I'm talking about the GIF I'm using. This shows the random movement of the particles, and we can see they are at high speed and moving in all directions. The particles are farther away from each other, and they have no forces of attraction holding them together. That's why we see the random movements at high speed. Then we go to the interconversions. These interconversions are from the different states of matter. For example, a solid can be converted into a liquid. This process is called melting. To convert a liquid into a solid, we need to freeze. This is removing some heat so that we allow the sample to cool down more in order for solid to be formed. And to convert a liquid into a gas, this is going to be evaporation. Converting a gas into a liquid, the process is called condensation. Again, this involves removing heat from the gas in order to turn it into liquid. The removal of heat decreases the kinetic energy, and so the particles will not move so fast. So they will come close to each other, attracting each other more, and then they will become liquid. Please remember, some students confuse evaporation and boiling. Evaporation can occur at any temperature, but boiling only occurs at the boiling point. For example, for water, water can evaporate even at 25 degrees, but the boiling process only takes place at 100 degrees if the water is pure. Then to convert a liquid into a gas, the process is called sublimation. And converting a gas into a solid, you can call it sublimation or deposition. I'm going to write it here, deposition, meaning particles are going to be deposited and the solid is going to be formed. So this brings us to the end of this video talking about states of matter. Thank you for being with us. Do not forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.